Well, we got this column out, but nothing else I have up here is like this one. So everything's too new. So I think we're going to go steal a column out of my old 69 out back. And, well, we'll see if it's the right length. All right, well, we're going to take the steering column out of our old 69 here. It doesn't have a lock plate, doesn't have a key in the steering column, and it doesn't have a shifter for an automatic transmission. Even though we have an automatic transmission in the Gladiator, Mara doesn't want the transmission shifter on the column. She wants it on the floor. So we're gonna put a column in without a shifter. Oh, look at that. It still has a tack in it. Wonder if it works. Well, there we go. One Chevrolet steering column to go in a Jeep. It's a little bit longer, and this bearing is seized up. We'll have to work with that. But I think between the two of them, we should be able to make one good. The problem is the tulip is the wrong way on the shaft. So we'll have to deal with that. Might need that. Huh. Arrow. Well, it spins now. Turn signal doesn't seem to work, but we got some broken wires here, but we'll make it work. hopefully we can get her Jeep steering wheel on there, and it'll be the steering column that she wants. Well, I'm sorry this is a short video, but it's getting late and I gotta go to work in the morning. Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, stay safe, and maybe we'll see you in the woods.